Welcome back to another installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross. As you can see, she's talking to our manager right now about some dinner engagements later on tonight. But let's see what Dr. Ross has to say.
Let's show you a tour of my section of the place. Let's go.
Play it louder, please.
Play it louder.
First, we have the 60-inch TV. You can't go wrong with the 60-inch TV. You gotta have it. There's Black King Sebastian's rooms and stuff over there. We're not gonna go and look over there because that's his stuff.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you?
And so we have my room. You have a great view to the beach, the ocean, and let's go into the bathroom. It's a little bit messy because Black King Sebastian and I had a function. And we have the hot tub right here with another view of the beach. It's beautiful. And we got that and the walk-in shower over here. That's pretty much it. Let's go back to Black King Sebastian, head over to him.
Alright, it's time for me to show you where the happening is at. So right now you can see, this is the balcony. Watch your step. We have someone over there getting their swerve on, working out. Exercises on the balcony. Dr. Ross and I, we were down there in Florida. We were just over there going around, going to the shops, enjoying ourselves. There's the beach, and over there you can see them working on a new high-rise or another apartment complex or hotel. We'll catch you guys in the next installment. We